a tool used by millions of developers, just got hacked. Not through code, through trust. If you build apps or use apps, this affects you. Axios is a tool that developers use to connect apps to the internet. Every time an app loads data, Axios might just be involved. It is used over 100 million times every week. Now, hackers did not break Axios itself, they took control of an account that belonged to a maintainer. That gave them permission to upload a fake update. They uploaded fake version of Axios and developers downloaded them thinking they were safe, but inside was a hidden malicious code. And once installed, the malware started stealing passwords, API keys, cloud credentials. It even installed a remote administration tool, or what we call a RAT. That means the attackers could take control of the affected systems anytime they wanted to. And remember, this was not just one company, it was a supply chain attack. Once a trusted tool gets compromised, thousands of applications get affected. And yeah, all at once. The attack lasted a few hours, but that was enough to infect systems worldwide. The biggest lesson is simple. Even trusted tools can be used against you.